Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk to you all about SUI. All right, now SUI is one of the cryptos that we have mentioned a lot on this platform. We've been giving you guys alpha along the way and covering SUI since it's had its run up. We'll look at the charts. I'll show you guys exactly what's happening as SUI trades around $2.81 as I'm currently recording. But then we have a big announcement, some breaking crypto news in the form of what SUI is doing and what they're looking to do moving forward. This is going to be a game changer. All right, so we'll get into that post on X. I'll break down why SUI is one of my top plays in 2025. And as always, guys, we'll take a look into the charts and get this one going. Okay, so welcome back to the channel. I'm Mark. For those of you that do not know, welcome. If you have not done so already, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, join us here on the platform, and let's get right into it, okay? And I will give you guys reasons why SUI can dominate 2025. There's 3 reasons in specific that does allow me to feel that way. As always, though, when I do give out cryptos, it's not financial advice, just how I feel. Make sure you do your research and what's best for you with all of your financial interests, okay? So let's get into it. The big announcement that we are going to break down for you guys right on the channel. Here it is, guys. This is on X, coming out from the official SUI network handle. Breaking news, exciting to announce a partnership with World Liberty Fi. This is where Donald Trump's inspired a DeFi protocol, okay? This is where they are looking in terms of a collaboration as World Liberty Financial will include SUI in their strategic token reserve to bolster leading Web3 projects. World Liberty Financial and SUI have already begun exploring product development opportunities. So there it is, guys. That is one that just kind of took the news for the day in terms of World Liberty Financial and what the Trump kind of window of crypto is looking to do. Leave a comment down below. Do you think this is a game changer? Is this something huge that you guys would be motivated to buy more SUI? I want to know down below in the comments, okay? But let's get into what the market's doing overall. SUI's up 13.3% at the time of us currently recording. A lot of other cryptos in the top 10, a lot of American-made cryptos. ADA's on a little bit of a pullback. But we have seen Ondo, Render, Chainlink, a lot of those cryptos that we do talk about that we think have an advantage within this Donald Trump administration and what we have coming March 7th. This is going to be something that we have to keep our eyes on, okay? So I wanted to share with you guys kind of what's going on. Also, we'll look into BTCC. This is one of the exchanges that I'm partnered with. You can see kind of the real-time data as SUI is trading at $2.81. So nice little green candle upon the news from World Liberty Financial. It'll be interesting to see if we do get some momentum, if SUI can get back above $3 and beyond. But this is something where it definitely is what's moving the charts today, was that post, was that announcement, and that's kind of what I wanted to share with you guys. If you are looking for a new exchange, BTCC, one of the longest standing exchanges out there. It's available to U.S. users. You can trade spot, trade futures. I do have a link down below if you want to get started and sign up with them. They do have some promotions for getting started. So use that link down below if it's right for you and start trading on BTCC today, okay? But let's get back into it. I wanted to share with you guys kind of what's going on. Also, SUI and XRP, 2 of the cryptos that we do mention a lot, $20 million in inflows within ETPs, despite seeing what we have had going on within the slump that has been accounting for $3.8 billion in a slump. That was just basically last week. I know a lot of things have changed since then, so please keep in mind how fast things can be and how volatile the crypto worlds can be. But I kind of wanted to lead this into kind of my discussion on why SUI is one of my top picks for 2025. Okay, so number one, it's their high performance blockchain. Okay, everybody says Ethereum killer, Slayer, Solana killer, whatever. That's all fine and dandy, but you have to deliver. Okay. There has been problems within kind of some of those networks, but what SUI is looking to do within their layer 1 blockchain is increase speed, increase scalability. They're powered by Move, one of the Rust-based programming languages within blockchain, and it's unlike traditional blockchains in the fact that it only relies on a unique parallel execution system, different from what we've seen within kind of the previous sequential transactions. So these transactions and what you look to compute on the SUI blockchain is basically instant. Okay, so you're going to get lower fees, faster speeds, and also there will possibly the goal is there will be never a congestion issue on the blockchain. So that's perfect for mass adoption and integration into DeFi for a lot of users. Okay. Also, we can talk about kind of how their growth has been going and adoption. A lot of partnerships within DeFi, the meme coin space within the blockchain, NFTs, gaming, all of that is all totally there. They have a huge amount of total value locked that does kind of signal us that we will have a lot more adoption along the way. Also, you can talk about how they've been able to scale as the network grows, as the blockchain continues to perform. They have not really had a drop in performance, which is a good sign to see. That does give a lot of investors a cause to invest into SUI in the long run, okay? And then last, we have to talk about kind of the backing, right? If you're watching this video and you've never heard about SUI, that's a good thing, right? Because it is growing. The backing is there, okay? Developed by Miston Labs. This is basically a team of engineers that have done a lot of work within Meta and Facebook, and this is where a lot of VC institutional investors have backed SUI based upon this premise. Okay, so they believe in kind of the reasons why SUI is building. So they have given up their capital and they've backed SUI, and they believe in it for the future. So that's kind of where you look into it. But the main reason why I started giving out SUI as a play and why I've invested in it, why I've believed in it, is because I always talk about the sweet spot and what I look to do with crypto, and that was market caps, you know, upwards of 15 to 50 in terms of total market cap that have the great technology, they have a great community, but they really haven't had that time. SUI is a very young crypto, all right? They've only been around for a year and a half, and well, more than a year and a half now, but when I started talking about them, that was kind of the mindset, all right? And they never had that bull run. They never had that pump. And that's kind of what's led us to today. They are very much an undervalued crypto, in my opinion, in terms of what they're looking to do, who are they looking to surpass, and in comparison to those cryptos that they are looking to pass up, it's a pretty much a odds-on value play, as that's essentially 10x from where they would be headed as we look at total market cap if SUI ever does get to where we think it can get to. Okay, so that's kind of what we have going on for us. The reasons why I like SUI: speed, scalability, and the growing adoption numbers that we are all witnessing on chain. So will we see SUI with a breakout in 2025? Let me know down below in the comments. But the big news of the day coming out of World Liberty Financial, as SUI is announced that they are excited to partner with World Liberty Financial in terms of their DeFi protocol and sharing their vision moving forward. So that's the news for the day. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Like I said, guys, I am partnered with BTCC. Check that link out down below if you want to start trading on that platform. Also, be sure to follow, like, and subscribe here on YouTube as well as on X. Appreciate you guys giving me a couple minutes of your time. We'll see you all in the next video. Have a great rest of your day. Cheers.